Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this flyer using SNS Flyer Builder and the new premium templates. Let's go ahead and get started. So, in order to begin, you'll need a blank template. To find this, just click open the SNS Flyer library. When inside, find the No Products option under the Filter tab and check it. Now this gives you the 4 selections and you can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go with this one. Now, when it loads in, it's extremely easy to just take the products that you want and put them onto the flyer. At the top left corner, select Find Products, type in what you want. I'm going to choose American Apparel products because this is an American Apparel flyer. Now, with the selection, you just choose whichever product you want, take it, drag and drop, and that is it. It's on there. Now all you need to do is slim down the text. Now you don't need a description because that's going to take up way too much space. Now what you want to do for the product name and the product number and price, you want to change the font size to 61 and you want to change the color to white. When that is all said and done now, it's going to look good. You're going to be able to see the text where the text should be. Now the issue is the text is on the right side of the photo. You don't want that. You want to take it and put it underneath it. That's easy to do. Go over to your right side, you'll see layout. Select the third button and there you go. Your text is now underneath your photo. You want to bring the bounding box closer to the image. That'll help you out in other instances if the text is further on the outside of the photo. But now as it's snug in here, it's fitting, but you still see white around the image. That's easy to fix. Go over to Photo, Size, and bring it up just a bit so that it fits. Now with that, you can see the white is completely gone. So, with this being said, that's all the products that you're putting into your flyer. You can stick around and follow as I finish, or simply just jump forward to where I add in the logo. Alright guys, so all the products have been placed in the flyer. The last thing you need to do is go into the add image over here and want to add your logo. If you haven't already done so, you want to go up to upload an image. It allows for JPEG and PNG images. When that is all said and done, take your logo, drag and drop it into your image just like the products. Now, with mine, you can see it says SNS, but the whole logo, it takes up the flyer. To remove the white, if you have any excess white on your image, go over to your right, select remove white, it's gone. Now it's just the logo. You can place it wherever you'd like. I'm going to place it here on the t-shirt. It looks very nice and snug. It actually looks like it belongs on the t-shirt. With that said, the flyer is completely done. You have the products, your logo. The last thing you want to do is save it and you want to share it with your customers. Go over here to your left, hit save and share, and name it whatever you like. For me, I'm going to type in test AA flyer. For you, you can name it whatever you like. The second text box is actually going to be for a description. This is a nice summary so your customers understand what you're trying to get at with your flyer. Now this right here, I'm also going to name it test flyer just because this is a mock-up flyer. Hit save and continue. It's going to do its job. And once it's completely done, you could come over here, you can share it through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever you want. You could also download it as a PDF and a PNG. With that being said, this is done. This is how fast you can make a flyer. It's underneath 5 minutes and you can share it with all your customers. Now, I hope this helped you guys out and I'll see you next time.